the average is equal to the sum of all the scores. It's the sum of all scores divided by the number of scores. So scores are represented by the exams. So we have 4 exams. So 80, 72, these are the grades, 80 again, and 88. We're going to divide by the number of exams, which is 4. 80 plus 72 plus 80 plus 88. Here we go. 2 plus 8, 10. 0, we carry 1. 1 plus 8 will be 9, plus 7, 16, plus 8, 24, plus 8, 32. So the sum is 320, which we're going to have to divide by 4. $320 divided by 4. How many times 4 goes evenly into 32? 8 times. 8 times 4 is 32. Negative 32. Let's subtract. We get 0. Now, bring down 0. How many times 4 goes evenly into 0? 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. Therefore, our remainder is 0. So the mean is 80. Next, we have a class made up of 16 women and 4 men. So the total number of students will be 16 plus 4. Therefore, we have 20 students in the class. Are we looking at the fraction of the class represented by men? That fraction will be the number of men divided by the total number of students. Well, the number of men is 4, and the total number of students is 20. Fraction represented by men. Fraction of the class represented by men will be 4. We have 4 men in this class, divided by the total number of students, which is 20. Well, 20 represent the whole class. Okay, now we just have to simplify. Numerator is 4 times 1, and the denominator is 4 times 5. Therefore, 4 is the greatest common factor, the GCF, right? And we can cancel 4, because 4 over 4 is 1. We get 1/5. Simplifying fractions mean canceling the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. 12 is 4 times 3, and 20 is 4 times 5. Therefore, the GCF between 12 and 20 the greatest common factor, the greatest factor that they share is 4. Cancel 4. 4 over 4 is 1. We have 3/5 as our answer. Box it. Simplify 18 over 4. If you realize that 18 over 4 is 9 over 2, you will do it faster. But we can always divide. 4 goes into 18 evenly 4 times. -16, and the remainder is 2. So 18 over 4 is really, the whole is 4. The remainder 2 is the denominator, is the numerator 2, and 4, the divisor, is the denominator. So now 2 over 4, 2/4 is really 1/2. It's 2 times 1 and 2 times 2 as the denominator. 2 cancel, so it's 1/2. So we can reduce the fraction, the fractional part of the mixed number. So it's going to be 4 and 1/2. That's it. Box it.